Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man channel, your go-to source for all things cleaning. Today we've got an epic showdown in store for you: steam cleaners versus chemical cleaners. In one corner, we have the steam cleaner, eco-friendly, chemical-free, and packing some serious heat. And in the other corner, your standard chemical cleaners, the ones you've likely been using for years. But which method really reigns supreme? We're about to dive deep into this cleaning battle, showing you side-by-side comparisons so you can see for yourself which method will leave your home sparkling clean. All right, let's get this showdown started. First, let's take a look at the steam cleaner. Now, if you're unfamiliar, a steam cleaner uses nothing but hot water vapor to clean and disinfect surfaces. Yep, that's right. No harsh chemicals, no funky smells, just pure steam. We're going to tackle some kitchen counters that have seen better days, loaded with grime and grease. Watch as the steam cleaner goes in, breaks down the mess, and leaves nothing but shiny, streak-free surfaces behind. And here's the kicker. It's not just wiping away the dirt, it's killing bacteria and germs while it's at it. The heat from the steam is powerful enough to sanitize, which means you're cleaning and disinfecting in one go. Talk about efficiency, right? Now let's throw a traditional chemical cleaner into the mix. You've got your spray bottle, looks like the usual kitchen cleaner. A few squirts, wipe it down, and voila! The surface looks clean, but did we really get rid of the germs? Let's be real for a second. You might have scrubbed away the dirt, but chemical cleaners rely on synthetic ingredients. They get the job done, but can leave behind residue, and who knows what you're really inhaling with those chemicals. Next, we're moving to the bathroom, everyone's least favorite cleaning zone. We've got soap scum on the shower tiles, mold creeping into the grout lines, and some mystery stains in the sink. Round 2, steam cleaner versus chemical cleaner. The steam cleaner is ready for action. Check this out. The high-pressure steam is cutting through soap scum like a hot knife through butter. It's even reaching into those grout lines, blasting out mold and mildew without needing extra scrubbing or bleach. And best of all, you don't have to worry about those strong, eye-watering chemical fumes. Your bathroom's left sparkling clean and fresh, no harmful residue. Now onto the chemical cleaner. You've got your bottle of bathroom cleaner, and let's be honest, this stuff usually smells like a mix of bleach and who knows what. It takes a little more elbow grease to scrub off the soap scum, and while it gets the job done, you're left breathing in that potent chemical cloud. All right, so it's clear the steam cleaner has some serious advantages, but it's time to weigh up the pros and cons. First up, the benefits of steam cleaning. It's eco-friendly. No more buying tons of bottles filled with harsh chemicals. You're just using water. You're reducing your waste and environmental footprint, and your house is chemical-free. Steam sanitizes. Because of the high temperatures, it can kill bacteria, viruses, mold, and dust mites without relying on chemicals. This is especially important for households with kids or pets. Cost savings. Think about how much money you're spending on cleaning products every month. With a steam cleaner, it's a one-time purchase. You'll never have to keep stocking up on different sprays, powders, or disinfectants. But is it all sunshine and steam? Well, let's get real. Steam cleaners aren't perfect. For one, they're a bit pricier up front compared to a bottle of cleaner. Plus, they can't clean everything. Some delicate surfaces or fabrics might not handle the heat well. And let's be honest, for quick spills or stains, grabbing a wipe or spray is easier than lugging out a steam cleaner. Now for the chemical cleaner side. They're convenient. It's hard to deny that having a bottle of multi-purpose cleaner on hand makes life a little easier when you need to clean up quickly. They're designed for specific problems. Chemical cleaners are great when you need targeted cleaning solutions, like a heavy-duty degreaser for the kitchen or bleach for serious mold issues. However, using too many chemicals in your cleaning routine can take a toll on both your health and the environment. Over time, harsh chemicals can irritate your skin, trigger allergies, and affect indoor air quality. Not to mention, they can be harmful if ingested or if the fumes are inhaled regularly. So which one comes out on top? Let's recap. If you're looking for a cleaner, healthier home with less exposure to toxic substances, steam cleaning might just change the way you approach your cleaning routine. You get powerful cleaning, eco-friendly solutions, and sanitization all wrapped into one. But if you prefer the convenience and versatility of chemical cleaners and don't mind the occasional heavy scent, they still have their place in your cleaning arsenal. Now, if you're interested in making the switch to steam cleaning, stay tuned. We've got a rundown of the best steam cleaners on the market, tips on what to look for, and how to get the most out of them. And for those of you sticking with chemical cleaners, we'll also give you some safety tips on how to use them effectively without putting your health at risk. Either way, both methods have their strengths, and it all boils down to what works best for your cleaning style and needs. What's important is finding the balance that keeps your home clean, safe, and healthy. Thanks for joining us on this cleaning showdown. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips, tricks, and cleaning battles. Until next time, keep it clean with Dan the Cleaning Man.